Good morning, everyone. My name is Inu Shah. Today I am going to speak a few words about Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was a great social reformer and the first female teacher of India. She was born on 3 January 1831 in Naigaon, Maharashtra. Savitribai was married to Mahatma Jyotirao Phule in 1840. At the age of 9, Savitribai, along with her husband Jyotirao Phule, started the first school for girls and 1840. She forget agent child marriage and caste discrimination. Savitribai Phule faced many challenges but never give up on our mission. Savitribai is great, and I'm proud of. I'm born of India. सावित्रीबाई फुलेचा विजय असो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.